Hey everyone, welcome. Today we're diving into yoga with 3 poses for beginners. Anyone can do at home. First is mountain pose or Tadasana.
1,
Let's start with mountain pose. Stand tall with feet hip-width apart, core engaged, and arms by your side. Breathe deeply and hold for 5 breaths. This pose improves posture and balance. Second is downward facing dog or Adho Mukha Svanasana.
2,
Downward facing dog. Start on all fours, then push your hips back and up, straightening your legs as much as comfortable. Keep your heels pressing down. Hold for 5 breaths. This stretches hamstrings and calves. And last one is child's pose or Balasana.
3,
Finally, relax in child's pose. Kneel on the floor, sit back on your heels, and rest your forehead on the mat. Arms can be extended or alongside your body. Breathe deeply and hold for as long as comfortable. These are just a few beginner poses. Remember, listen to your body and have fun. Have a nice day.
Enjoy the video. If you like it, then don't forget to like and share. If you are new to the channel, then please subscribe. Write in the comments and tell us what you think about this